Right, ZippyClip can create music videos just from a Suno song. It literally creates the entire script for you. It creates videos based on what's being said in the actual video, and then it drops it into the timeline. And basically, not only can ZippyClip edit your videos and publish to all of your channels, it can now also create music videos from your prompts with lip sync. So the video quality is pretty amazing, not perfect, but we'll get there. And one more thing I want to say is that now ZippyClip can literally be automated and can literally, you can set it up so that when you drop a file into a folder, it will literally start editing the video according to a preset prompt, and then it will publish to all of your channels automatically with the perfect titles and descriptions. And let's check it out. All right, let's close this and check out the video. So here's our video. I'm just gonna extract it so I can actually watch it. Let's open the file and watch it.
All you do is you drop the MP3 you got from Suno, drop it onto your timeline as you would. Then you click on music video, add a photo of yourself or me if you prefer. Then you set the scene and generate the film. Then you watch me come to life. Let's begin. ZippyClip, ZippyClip, you are my AI editor. And now you can also create music videos. I can't believe my luck. This is crazy as much. I love you all and see you in my next video.
I bet you like the fact that she was actually singing about the app she's in. So basically you drop music on the timeline, click on video from audio, and then you just start choosing the settings that you prefer. Absolutely incredible. Now that I've finished this, all I need to do is publish it to all of my channels. You click on publish and it will publish to all your channels. But in this case, I can just publish to all my music channels by clicking automate and then choosing my music channels. They're not on this computer, they're on my other PC, my desktop. So that's it, that's how I would do it personally. Fantastic. You can also edit the video by typing here any edit you want and it will edit it for you. So ZippyClip is the future of video editing. It's the future. See you in the next one.